The cheetah, nature's ultimate speed machine. Welcome to the incredible world of the cheetah, nature's fastest land animal. Renowned for its breathtaking speed, agility, and unique hunting techniques, the cheetah is a true marvel of evolution. But the life of a cheetah isn't just about running. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and resilience in the wild. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating life of the cheetah, its habitat, hunting strategies, family structure, and the challenges it faces in the ever-changing wilderness. The cheetah, Acinonyx jubatus, is a large cat native to Africa and parts of Iran. It is a member of the Felidae family, but stands apart due to its unique adaptations for speed rather than power. Known for its slim build, long legs, and lightweight frame, the cheetah is an efficient predator. Key features: speed. Capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 112 kilometers per hour, in short bursts. Body design: a small aerodynamic head, flexible spine, and large nostrils allow for efficient oxygen intake during a chase. Distinctive markings: their golden coat with black spots provides camouflage in savanna grasslands. Section: habitat and distribution. Cheetahs primarily inhabit open grasslands, savannas, and arid regions. These environments provide the visibility and open space necessary for their high-speed pursuits. Current range: most cheetahs are found in sub-Saharan Africa, with a small population in Iran known as the Asiatic cheetah. Historical range: once widespread across Africa, the Middle East, and Asia, cheetahs have lost over 90% of their historic range due to habitat loss and human activity. Section 3. The life of a cheetah. Diet and hunting. Cheetahs are carnivores that rely on their speed to catch prey. Primary prey: impalas, gazelles, springboks, and smaller hoofed animals. Hunting strategy: cheetahs rely on stealth to approach their prey within 100 to 200 feet. Once close enough, they launch a high-speed chase, aiming for a tripping tackle. They use their strong jaws to suffocate their prey before eating. Challenges: larger predators like lions, hyenas, and leopards often steal their kills, forcing cheetahs to eat quickly and remain vigilant. Family and social structure. Solitary hunters. Female cheetahs are typically solitary, raising their cubs on their own. Coalitions. Male cheetahs often form small groups, usually with their brothers, to defend territory and improve hunting success. Cubs. Female cheetahs give birth to 2 to 6 cubs, raising them in dens hidden in tall grass. Cubs stay with their mother for about 18 months, learning essential survival skills. Sadly, cheetah cubs have a high mortality rate due to predation and disease. Section 4. Adaptations for survival. Speed and agility. Their bodies are built for quick acceleration, with long legs and a flexible spine acting as springs during a chase. Keen vision. Exceptional eyesight allows cheetahs to spot prey from a distance. Camouflage. Their spotted coat blends with the grasslands, providing cover from both prey and predators. Physical limitations. Short-distance sprinters. Despite their speed, cheetahs can only maintain top speeds for 20 to 30 seconds before overheating. Vulnerability. Their slender build makes them less capable of defending themselves against larger predators. Section: challenges in the wild. Cheetahs face numerous threats that endanger their survival. Habitat loss. Expanding agriculture and urban development encroach on their natural habitats. Human-wildlife conflict. Farmers often kill cheetahs to protect livestock. Predation and competition. Larger predators compete with cheetahs for food and sometimes kill their cubs. Genetic bottleneck. Cheetahs have low genetic diversity, making them more susceptible to diseases and reproductive issues. Section: conservation efforts. Cheetahs are listed as vulnerable by the IUCN, with an estimated population of only 7,000 individuals in the wild. Organizations worldwide are working to ensure their survival. Key conservation measures: wildlife corridors, creating protected areas that connect isolated populations. Community engagement, educating farmers and local communities on coexistence. Anti-poaching programs, combating illegal hunting and trafficking. The cheetah is an awe-inspiring symbol of nature's brilliance, blending speed, grace, and resilience. However, its survival hangs in the balance, requiring global action to preserve its habitat and ensure its future. Let's take a moment to appreciate the cheetah, not just as a predator, but as an integral part of our planet's rich biodiversity.